Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Wanted to ask you guys if you could do me a favor. If you're watching these videos and checking out the channel and you like what you see, if you guys could hit the subscribe button for me, we would really appreciate that. We are working our way to trying to get monetized so that we can build bigger and better cars and more builds and so on and so forth and keep doing this. And that would help us a lot if you guys could do that for us. So that's really all I got for you. Really appreciate all of you. Stay tuned. We've got lots of cool builds coming. Lots of things starting to happen on a lot of different cars. So it won't just be the Thing. It's going to be the Thing, the 40 Ford, the Apache. There's going to be a lot of things happening. So just stay tuned, and I will try my best to get you as many videos as I can, including Don's 1957 Chevy two-door post that we're working on. There's a lot going on over there too. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for everything. We really appreciate you. Have a great night. Hey guys, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Before you lies our 1973 Super Beetle convertible. This is my wife Megan's. It's rough. I bought this thing. You guys probably saw the other video, but I bought this thing a long time ago when I got the Thing. I went to buy this and the Thing was there and ended up buying both. But Big Ron's been working on this today. We got the hood open. He got the gas tank out of it. Steering's unhooked. He's got all the body bolts out. Most of the body bolts out. And we are getting close to lifting this body off of this frame. Just taking it as high as we can and getting ready for our new frame, which is out in the front yard, which I'll show you that in a second. But this has a lot of rot. Actually, it's not too terrible up here, but we do have the pieces to repair all of this. What I'm missing, which is crucial on this thing, is this here. So if anybody has this piece that's watching this, any of you get Volkswagen guys, have a Super Beetle convertible that you're not using, that you're cutting up or getting rid of or whatever, and this section all the way around is good, shoot me a message over at brownsrodandcustom@gmail.com, and we might be able to figure something out, because that's the one piece I really need that I don't have. So otherwise, you know, it's what it is. But figure this pan will come out, new pan will go in it with brand new floors, all done, painted base coat, clear coat, jet black, and we've got the Impy shocks, lowered shocks for the rear off of the Thing. We have all new Impy front struts and the adjustable strut housings. We've got the urethane bushing kit for the whole front of the car. The rear on the new frame already has all the new urethane bushings and everything in it. So I mean, it really just literally just picking this up and setting it on the new frame is just a massive upgrade for this. So that's what we got going on over here, guys. I just wanted to show you this thing, progress we got on it so far. It doesn't roll right now. The front rolls, the rear is completely locked up, and that's why we're not doing this in the driveway. But it will roll here soon. The new frame rolls very good. Let me show you what we got here. Hold on. Here's the old struts and brakes. I'm going to put disc brakes on the front, especially after the Volkswagen Thing. Realize it's probably a good idea. Here's the new frame. With one terrible tire and one bad tire. So these shocks will get swapped out for my white Impys. The transmission that's in that car, the Super Beetle, will go into this. with the CV axles. They're still good. Everything's really good there. This already has all the shifter bushings in it. All of that's done. We've got the MP big bore master cylinder already. We've got a lot. So really, you know, this will be a great upgrade. It's dirty as all get out because it's sat out here in the monsoons, but we'll clean it up and we'll slide this under there, and it should be a huge upgrade. And then we'll just, you know, as we go here, our focus is right there and the thing and the 40, but we'll mess with this as we go. If we decide we want to spend some money on Volkswagen parts and get some content and this, that, and the other, we'll go ahead and do it and put everything on here. And I have such a better understanding of what I'm doing now that I've done the thing, that this, you know, I'm not going to say this is going to be easy, but the mechanical piece of this should be pretty simple, I think. So anyway, guys, just want to give you a little 73 Super Beetle convertible content. Hope you like it. This is what we've been doing, and this is where we're going. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching Brown's Rock and Custom. Please like and subscribe. clip from right here. Huh? It's pretty bad. The only thing that holds these here is the forward, right? And the body won't have a frame. This body's so fragile because it's just gone. We'll be lucky if we don't break it in half taking it off. All the main supports are rusted out all throughout the inner wheel well. Maybe we drop this rod down on center block, right? And then we take the jack in here, and jack up off this bar, and see if it'll pop the seal. Let's put some right here. You know, it's not that heavy. Need a tetanus shot just to look at it.
You ain't shitting this one.
Well, be careful. good. It ain't good. Yeah, we do have it off right here on this mount, but I don't know if it's just so rusty that it's. You really want to try to save this? Got to have a new body. This, huh? This one, just gone.
We got a good frame, we just don't have a good body. Body's shit.
Total shit. I don't know what we can do, not just to get the body up, but to actually have this be safe in the back.
I wouldn't.
You lifting up on that, I mean, that entire
I wouldn't
section
put her in this car ever.
rotted off. When you were doing this,
Yeah.
I was watching that whole section just.
It's bad, man. Really bad. Like horribly bad. Graveyard cars wouldn't do this.
Yeah, no way.
No. Even if it was a classic. I mean, it's too far gone. We're trying to lift up and the whole thing's crunching. You'd have $1 million in this if you try to make it nice.